When humanity left Earth, we carried more than our technology. We carried our breath, our hunger, our hope. The first 1,000 days on Mars would test all of it. Day 1. Touchdown. The gravity feels light, but the moment impossibly heavy. Mars is silent. No wind strong enough to whisper. No birds, no oceans, only us and our heartbeat against a new world. We came to survive, but we also came to ask a question. Was Mars ever alive? Ancient river deltas, mineral signatures shaped by water, organic molecules locked in stone. By the 30th sunrise, our habitat breathes with us. Each seal, each valve, a pulse in this fragile lung of technology. Outside, -70 degrees. Inside, the faint scent of basil growing under LEDs. It smells like home. Dust here is electrostatic. It clings to suits, clogs joints, wears down seals. A storm can last weeks. On Mars, storms don't roar. They whisper, then consume. The dust storm lasted 3 days. For 3 nights we waited, lit only by batteries and fear. We learned that here, survival isn't won by heroism. It's won by patience. Day 250. A pressure line rupture almost cost us one of our own. Every decision here is physics and consequence. There are no second chances on Mars. Every heartbeat is a calculation. The soil outside is toxic, laced with perchlorids. Fine as powder, sharp as glass. We do not farm the ground, we farm the light. 1 Earth year. Mars has circled the sun once with us upon its surface. Distance changes everything. Light takes 21 minutes to carry a message home. We live not in hours, but in signals delayed by millions of miles. A year on Mars is longer, colder, quieter, but we are still here. By day 500, we're no longer occupants. We're settlers. Our machines work beside us, reshaping Mars grain by grain. What began as survival becomes civilization. Depending on orbital positions, Mars is between 56 and 400 million kilometers from Earth. A message takes anywhere from 4 to 24 minutes to arrive. Conversation becomes correspondence. Day 700. We lost one of our own. No graves here, only endless horizon. Yet perhaps that's what eternity looks like. A frontier without edges. Mars gives us nothing easily. The atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide. Less than 1% the pressure of Earth's sea level. Unfiltered radiation from deep space falls freely onto its surface. We brought our own air. Day 900. What was once temporary is now permanent. What was once survival has become life. We've painted the Martian dust with footprints, steel, and hope. The horizon no longer feels empty. Day 1000. We record this message for those still dreaming of the red planet. Mars is not a place that welcomes life, but it listens. And if we've learned anything from these 1,000 days, it's this. The universe does not yield to us. We yield to understand it.